This is a review from J&M Reviews. This is the Lord of the Rings Motion Picture Trilogy Extended Edition. This is a special collector's edition of the extended versions of all three movies. It is really great. It has nice art on the inside. It is a special box. It in gold colors. It has a really nice map of the world of Lord of the Rings, Middle Earth. And also each movie, it is separated into its own box, and it has the movies plus it has extra Blu-ray discs that go through behind the scenes of how each one was made, interviews, behind the scenes work, and also it includes the original versions that are not extended and the extended versions, and also DVD. These are all three movies. They have great art. They're all really well taken care of, really well put. It's a great package and a great deal for any fan of Lord of the Rings. The Blu-ray quality is really good. The behind the scenes content is really good, and the extended scenes are really worth the price. We highly recommend for you to check out this extended version.